is all you're going to need for this delicious dessert. Some Oreo type cookies, some Nutella spread, butter, cream cheese, smooth peanut butter, whipping cream, some hazelnuts and some icing sugar. First thing to do, get your biscuits into a processor. Don't worry about the creamy fillings, they'll all blend in. And then pulverise your biscuits until they crumbs. With your biscuits pulverised, time to melt some butter into a pan and then put that into your biscuit base. Pour your butter into your biscuits, then give it a quick pulse round just to mix them up. So into your flan or cake tin, you're going with your biscuit and butter mix. Then sort of even it out, and then the best thing to flatten it down with is that. So get to work with your hands. Once you've got it something like what you want, it's time to pop that in the fridge and get on with your filling. With your base stiffening up in the fridge, time to go in the same processor with your hazelnuts. You don't want to pulverise them to dust though, but you do want to chop them up into little pieces. Once your nuts are done, it's time to get your hazelnut spread, your chocolate, into a bowl, and then you're going to put this in the microwave for around 15 to 20 seconds just to soften it down an extra little bit. The chocolate spread nicely softened down, it's time to go in with your nuts. Then carefully, unless you want a complete mess in your kitchen, you're going to get all them mixed into there and set them to one side. With your nuts mixed in and your chocolate still pliable, time to get your base out of the fridge, put that mixture into it. Then you're just going to spread that round until it's got an even coating on the bottom, and then it's back in the fridge for that to firm up as well. With your base in the fridge, time to get out your mixing bowl and put your whipped cream in there. And get it whipped up. With your cream mixed, it's time to put that in a separate bowl onto one side. Into the same bowl as your whipping cream was in, time to go in with your cream cheese, and then your peanut butter, and then get them mixed together. Once they're blended-ish, time to go in with your icing sugar and get that mixed in as well. Then with that mixed in, it's time to put your mixer away and you're going in with your cream cheese. You're going to fold your cream cheese in a bit at a time. And there you've got a lovely peanut butter mousse. With your mousse mixed, it's time to get your base back out the fridge and get all your mousse on top. Then just spread that evenly. Then you could just leave it like that, or finish it off however you want. I'm just going to be using some flakes. Then back into the fridge for an hour for the mousse to set as well, and then tuck in